Until now, Tesla's Dashcam and Sentry Mode features did a good job of capturing video from all around the car, both when you're driving and when you're parked. But they didn't give us a good way of accessing that video inside the car. We originally had to bring a flash drive or solid state drive inside to a computer to be able to access it, and it was a pretty poor experience. Eventually, people made smartphone apps that had additional features, and things were a lot better. But now, with software version 2020.12.5, Tesla has introduced Dashcam Viewer inside the car. It doesn't have all the features of the smartphone app, so they aren't obsolete quite yet, but it's a good start. So let's check it out. By far the best feature of the new Dashcam Viewer is the experience of getting into the car after a Sentry Mode event has been triggered. There's a similar pop-up message to what we've had for some time, but now you can tap on that message to access the footage directly. You can scrub through the timeline, choose different views, and also delete the clip right from the screen. Since Sentry Mode often captures random people and animals moving around the car, I rarely ever check it right when I get back to the car. And there's no telling how many things that I have missed because I just never thought to go back and check. So I really like that this new feature makes it that much more convenient, because I will be much more likely to check the footage before I drive away. If you do want to check the video later, with the car in park, you just tap on the Tesla Cam icon and select Viewer. To narrow down the selection, over here you can choose from all, just Dashcam, or just Sentry videos. You select a video and it starts playing back. So for the situation of reviewing recent Sentry Mode clips when you get back to the car, this works really well. But it doesn't have all the features of the smartphone apps. So here are a few things I would love to see added in the future. For starters, I think the video layout could be improved. I would prefer that the front camera was a bit smaller, with the left, rear, and right cameras larger and below it down here. Since Sentry footage is often triggered from the side and rear cameras, it makes sense for them to be large enough to see what's going on easily. Second, since you're viewing from the driver's seat, it would be much more intuitive if they flipped the video on the left, right, and rear cameras to match up with the view from the mirrors in the car. Third, since it's not always clear what actually activated Sentry Mode, it would be great if the camera and the moment that it was activated was highlighted. The smartphone apps have features like faster playback speed and jump to event to try to make this easier, but Tesla could take it even a step further with their own solution. And finally, Tesla doesn't give us a way to make this footage accessible outside of the car. So we'll still need the smartphone apps to be able to email, save, or upload footage, like for the police, or to make vandals famous on the internet. I'd also love to see features incorporated into the official Tesla app as well. It would be great if we got real-time notifications of Sentry events and were able to watch the video right then and save it or share it. Still, it's yet another example of my car continuing to get better for free 2 years after I bought it. No other manufacturers do these kind of things that Tesla does, and it's one of the many reasons why they are my favorite automotive manufacturer. So thanks again to Tesla for yet another software update. I hope you guys are staying safe out there. Thanks for watching.